the rotary phone I had as a kid growing up. Loved making phone calls on this thing. I wonder if it still works. I'm gonna try to plug it in. Hang on. Oh yeah, moving is so much fun. I found this old box in the attic. This is all of the stuff I had when I was a kid, growing up in the 80s. You can see things like my collector cups, Boris Badenov, Simon Bar Sinister. Here's an old Elvis Costello baseball cap. Here's some records, Nick Lowe, Dave Edmonds, T-Bone Burnett, all good stuff. Loved listening to that. Ah, look at this, a triptych. Who remembers these? Used to go to AAA and they would print you out a page by page, turn by turn route to New Jersey, which is probably 3 turns from Binghamton, but here's the triptych from it. Here's an old pencil cup that would convert inches to metric. It still hasn't come in handy. Some 30 years later. Some negatives from back when I would shoot 35 millimeter. What else? Picture of my dad. Nice hair. Oh my gosh, and look at this. Here's my phone. These are great. This is actually the rotary phone I had as a kid growing up. Loved making phone calls on this thing. I wonder if it still works. I'm gonna try to plug it in. Hang on.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension.
Oh my God, that's weird. There's a dial tone. Did not expect that. I wonder what would happen if I called the phone number I had growing up as a kid. That's weird, it's ringing.
Yellow.
Hi, who is this?
Eric, who is this?
Eric, no, seriously, who's this?
Eric, hang on. Let me turn down the TV. I was just watching Magnum PI.
Oh, I did love that show.
Who is this again?
This is Eric Lindstrom. I found my old phone in a box. This is the one I had when I was growing up, and I dialed my old home phone number, and you picked up.
Yeah, well, this is Eric Lindstrom.
Prove it. Who did you have a crush on in the 80s?
Toss up between Belinda Carlisle and Susanna Hoffs.
Yep, it's me. This is crazy. I mean, I'm calling myself in the past. What an opportunity to change the course of my life forever. Tell my younger self something that will positively impact my own future.
Like what?
Buy stock in Apple.
I'm 17.
And go vegan.
Go what?
Go vegan. Give up meat, dairy, and eggs. Stop eating animals altogether.
Give up meat and milk? Totally not.
You'll end up going vegan in your 40s anyway, so you might as well do it now. This way you'll benefit from it for a longer period of time.
Don't think so. I love Speedies too much and Strawberry Quick.
Trust me on this. There are vegan alternatives to everything nowadays. There's meat, dairy, egg alternatives. There's things that are so delicious. You'll even learn to love nutritional yeast.
Gag me with a spoon.
Seriously, please, go vegan. You'll thank me later.
You'll be dead.
Well, so will you.